Many ladies think costly product invasive treatments are the only way to achieve a glowing skin. Some follow celebrity skincare routines, injections, supplements to achieve this goal. But actual thing is, most of these products have so many chemicals, heavy metals and excipients. As a long-term use, many of them end up with skin cancer, skin irritations, liver damage and kidney damages. So today, our effort is to guide you to have a glowing skin without harming your natural microbiome on your skin. So let's start. Why you should follow an Ayurvedic remedies for a glowing skin? All around the world, Ayurvedic herbs and herbal remedies have become a commonly preferred alternative to chemically formulated skincare. Not only are they highly effective, but they are more affordable alternative with many ingredients found right in your kitchen. It's time to search for new home remedies for glowing skin. Let's start. 2 tablespoons full of rice flour, half teaspoon of turmeric and a cup of tomato juice. This mixture acts as an excellent Ayurvedic scrub for dry skin. It exfoliates the skin and lightens your dark spots. Apply this pack whole your face and body. Let it for 20 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. Let's think you have an oily skin. Take a cup full of fresh aloe vera gel. Put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a pinch of turmeric. This remedy works as an overnight moisturizer to hydrate and brighten your skin. Third remedy. Take 2 tablespoons full of multani mitti powder and 1 tablespoon of rose petals. Mix these 2 combinations with rose water. Apply all the face and body, leave it for 15 minutes and wash off with cold water. Repeat 2 times per week. Fourth recipe. Take a cup full of fresh yogurt and put 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and put 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder. Blend this combination very well and apply all your face and body and leave it for 15 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. This wonderful pack will reduce your dark spots and shine and brighten your skin. My dear ladies, after you remove these face and body packs, make sure to apply a well-hydrated moisturizer. I suggest add few drops of castor oil to any of your moisturizer and apply on your skin. It will keep your skin hydrated and lock the moisture. Your skin naturally regenerates every 24 to 48 days and it has its own biological clock, correct breathing patterns and digestive ability, and it removes its waste from its excretory mechanism. So any cream, lotion or herbal products you apply, make sure you support this natural cycle of your skin. Herbal remedies that we made today are very simple, but remember, those are very effective. Always try to blend with nature and preserve your natural pigment on your skin. Eat right food and apply less chemicals to achieve a long-lasting glowing skin. All the best. Thank you for watching.